bowling well within himself. You can see the first ball was about 143 kilometers, but after that he's bowled 125, 128, 127, 123. So he's not really letting it rip.
Short and put away. And Gill with almost class.
Brilliant, absolutely brilliant shot. And both these guys play with each other for Punjab, and that's why after that shot was played, what a magnificent shot, he had something to say to Haris Rauf, who in the over had something to say to Abhishek Sharma.
Got it in onto the stumps, not allowing Gill to get under, but just too straight, and in that ends up bowling a wide. Brilliant, full of class. Gill puts that away for 4.
It's important to hit the ball between the fielders, and that's exactly what he's done. And when you have a look at how late he's played it, that will tell you why that ball went between the two fielders. If he had played it a little bit early, it would have gone to the fielder at backward point perhaps, but he's played it late. See how late he plays it. Last minute. And that is the reason he could bisect those two fielders. Brilliant batting that.
Not much of a gap, that 19 meters. Such contrasting styles. You look at Shubman Gill, has so much time on his hands, so effortless, so pleasing. But Abhishek Sharma manages to steal the spotlight because of his flamboyant nature, almost over-aggressive style of play, but extremely effective. Some of Abhishek Sharma's numbers, strike rate of 250. The first ball of the over, so always looking to put the pressure back on, never allowing the field to settle. Over's gone for 10, 1 to go. Short, a rank long hop, deserved that treatment. Once again the over closes with the boundary. 14 off.
At mid-on, the fielder is within the 30-meter circle. This is short. This can happen with bowlers who are worried about batters going down the pitch, and he's seen that Abhishek Sharma has gone down the pitch to a quick bowler like Haris Rauf, even 21 of his 2 overs.
Once again the big shot doesn't have the distance. Will this be taken? Oh, he's palmed it over. He's made an absolute mess of that as Fakhar Zaman. And that'll mean another 6 to the total of Abhishek Sharma. India move to 83.
I don't know what he was looking to do, whether he was looking to catch the ball, and then he knew that he would probably go over the boundary, so whether he was looking to relay it to the fielder who was backing over there. Oh, no. It was just one of those things that happened to the Indian fielders as well.
Short and wide. Yeah, Pakistan just... the reverse and played to absolute perfection. This is incredible ball striking from both openers.
It is. It's almost as if both of them are saying, if you can do that, even I can do it. And while we haven't as yet seen a reverse sweep from Abhishek Sharma, Shubman Gill doing all those who doubted his inclusion in the team that he can play the audacious shots in T20 cricket as well.
Gets into such fantastic positions on impact. Yeah, really incredible. The execution from both openers. Abhishek Sharma 48, just of the 23, striking at 208. Once again in his knock, 4 sixes already. No matter what Pakistan have thrown at him at the moment, it has flown to the boundary. away from the fielder. And into the fence as well. He will raise a bat to a full house here in Dubai as he brings up his third international T20I 50 to go along with two incredible hundreds. What a player.
What a player indeed. Incredible shot once again. I was wondering whether he's going to go for the big shot and get to a half century. Didn't quite go for the lofted shot, but he played this.
They always search for that. They're always looking for that good length area. They're expecting the bowler to be bowling in that region.
Oh, that's a clean strike. Clean as for 6. So just 2 needed in the slot. And away she goes over the boundary.
Yeah, when you're bowling too many slow deliveries with mid-off up in the circle, look where the bat ended. The follow-through. Beautiful follow-through. And even if you get half a bat on the ball, this ball will travel. That 6 was 92 meters. Big hit.
That's picked away. India home and dry. 174 for 4. They win by 6 wickets. And they continue their domination over Pakistan in the T20 format of the game. It's the highest chase against Pakistan in T20 cricket. The previous highest, 160 at the G.